All right, last Apple-related story. iPhone 13, good news with the iPhone 13. We knew it was going to be fatter. We knew with the new display technology and supporting ProMotion is what Apple calls a high refresh, and presumably having to fit a battery that can provide similar battery figures, performance, while compensating for that increased refresh rate. You were just like, okay, it's got to be a bit fatter, the phone. And then we did the measurements on the model unit that I've had over here, did the official measurements on Unbox Therapy, and sure enough, even this model is already a bit fatter, ever so slightly. But the good news is it appears it is going to come alongside better battery capacity, bigger battery capacity. And we have some figures here, courtesy Love to Dream. According to this rumor, the iPhone 13 Pro Max gets 4,352 milliamp hours compared to the current 3,687 on the 12 Pro Max. That's quite an improvement. Well, that's almost 1,000 extra milliamp hours. We're getting closer to that 5,000.
Lasts a couple days.
Now, here's the other thing. They got the new chip, the A15, which is apparently more efficient as well.
Yep.
So maybe you're seeing some banana town battery life, but it is important to note it's going to have to deal with this 120 hertz. But I'm sure they're going to put some dynamic switching in there that when you're not going to need it, it's going to turn it off, and they're going to just try to be power efficient about how they give you 120. So I think it's not crazy to say that we may see some of the best iPhone battery life ever on the next generation. And I like that, as opposed to just always having to make things thinner. Battery life, man, from day to day, you use that. That's life.
Yeah.
Life in the fast lane, man.
And if it's a little bit thicker for an iPhone, it's
so
not
what,
too bad.
man? All right, how about the regular 13 Pro? Supposedly that's going to be $3,095, which is up from $2,815. And then the Mini goes to 2,406 milliamp hours from 2,227. So the biggest improvement, obviously, is on the Pro Max model. That's likely going to be your battery performer if that's what you're into. You might get that 2-day, that mysterious, coveted, foggy 2-day battery that we've all imagined. Mm-hmm. We've all, I don't know what I'm trying. I don't know how I'm trying to phrase this.
Yeah. It's very legendary.
It's always been, actually, never mind 2-day. I want 1 week. Never mind 2-day.
Let's not go that far.
I want 1 week. 1 week battery. It's weird. You just get used to it. You're just like, yeah, you charge it every day. Like, I've been wearing this watch. I charge it every day. Uh-huh. Get used to it. And that's the target. Let's just make sure they do it every day.
Yeah.
They get 1 day out of it.
Full 24 hours.
Let's make sure they get 1 day out of it. But I was goofing with that HP, that new Elite Folio. Actually, the video's not even out yet. Whatever. Keep an eye out for it. And it's got a Snapdragon chip in it, even though it's like a convertible laptop thing. And they were stating 24 hours of battery life or 20 hours of video watching. And then over the weekend, I never plugged it in once. I was using that at home. Never plugged it in once. So this idea is very captivating to me.
Yes.
And I get excited about battery tech and charge tech.
Yeah. Hopefully they can go with really fast wireless charging as well.
Yeah, put it all in there.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we're not asking for a lot here.
Be nice with it.
Who was saying that the other day? He's nice with it. Oh, it was Dave Chappelle on Rogan's podcast.
Dave Chappelle.
Yeah, he kept saying, you know what? He's nice with it. He's nice with it. And I like that. That stood out to me as well. He kept going there. That was his current lingo.